Hello folks, I'm here in Scarborough. I'm here at the Rouge Beach National Park. So there's free parking here, as you can see. There's a swamp right here behind these bushes, but I am going to walk into the pathway and walk around this area. I'm not going to go walking the whole path, because the whole waterfront trail, because it's like a couple miles. I'll just do like a little loop here. So this is a free parking. This is Scarborough, but technically we're in Toronto, because it's the region of Toronto, well, the city of Toronto. This pathway right here, this bridge leads to Pickering, which is over there. Literally over there is Pickering. I'm probably not going to walk it today. Maybe when I come back, I'll probably walk it. So up there, maybe I can zoom in. Oops. If you walk up there and keep walking east, you'll hit Pickering, which is literally up there. So that bridge up there, you go down there, go on that bridge, and you're back in Scarborough. But maybe if I have time, I'll walk it. So I'm going to walk a little bit around here. Like I said, I'm not going to walk the whole path. It's a couple miles. So these are the showers and washroom. This is open. Oh, it's locked. interesting bench. So as you can see, this trail keeps going on and on and on, a couple miles. But I'm going to stop here because I want to go back and go up that pathway to Pickering and show you the border between Toronto and Pickering. So I'm going to stop the video here and restart it when I get over there.
A few moments later.
Alright, now I'm going to take this bridge to Pickering. This bridge, not that bridge. That's a rail bridge. This is the walking bridge. A lot of people fish here. I guess it's too hot today. Today's September 6th, I believe, 2023. Let me look at my phone, the exact date. Yeah, September 6th, 2023. Everybody's back to school, everybody's back to work. It's actually a very good place to biking and walking. If you want to do a long walk, you do it here. Still recording? Yes, I am. This is the Rouge River. Rouge River meets Lake Ontario. Forgot to say that, mention that. This is the Rouge River right here. This is the end of the Rouge River and where it meets on Lake Ontario. There's a lot of swamp here. A lot of people fish here during the summer, in the good days. Yeah, let's keep going to Pickering. We're still in Scarborough / Toronto. Here's a view from this vantage point. It's very bright today, very hot. This is the Rouge River right here, where it meets Lake Ontario. So let's keep going here. And this is Pickering, as you can see by the stone. This is Pickering. This is the Pickering border. City of Pickering. First Nations Trail, Western Gateway. So this is Pickering, and this is Scarborough. There's more parking up there. This pathway leads to more parking if you look at the map. But yeah, let's go back. It is getting hot. So as you see here, this is the railway, the CN Trail, the CN Railway, CN whatever you call it, rail goes through here, and GO train goes through here. And so yeah, this is the quick tour of the Rouge Beach National Park. Well, you can see someone fishing there. Beautiful area, but very busy during the weekends. The parking's always free here, and that's what's good about it. It's always free. And up there in Pickering, there's parking up there too. But yeah, hope you like this video. Subscribe, share it. I'll do more videos as I can before the summer, the good weather comes to an end. And yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. I've passed 100 subscribers by the time you watch this video. Maybe my goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Okay, thank you.